The Grasshopper. It's minty, sweet and luxurious. It's like waking up with a hangover and a sense of self-loathing and curing it by devouring a mint viennetta all by yourself. This cocktail traced its roots to pre-prohibition days and not the disco era of the 1970s, where everyone pretended they went Studio 54, but in reality they're having the shittest night ever, listening to their friend DJ at the local youth club, playing ABBA's greatest hits. To kick this off, add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of Creme de Menthe. I'm using the Giffard's brand, just be steady because you don't want to spill this. The Grasshopper was originally made at Tujague's bar in the French Quarter in New Orleans. According to sources, it was created by a barman named Philibert Guichet in 1919. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of white creme de cacao. This adds the chocolate element to the drink. If you love mint chocolate ice cream, this is a drink for you. And follow up with 2 ounces, that's 60ml of double cream. Add ice to the shaker and then shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Double strain into a coupe or martini glass. Finish off by grating over a bit of dark chocolate or some nutmeg. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and fucking behave yourselves as it's Christmas.